Hola, amigo. So let's discuss about Bitcoin. It is absolutely fantastic here in Mexico. However, with this topic, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, by the way, before I fully begin, sorry if English is a little bit difficult to understand, but it's just going to be easier for me to go with it. So hopefully you can... Anyways, with Bitcoin, when you asked me the question, like, hey, just share about Bitcoin, like, there's so many people that have asked me that question. It's just like, I can't, because it's such a giant topic. There's so many different things you can do with it. And lately, it's been going up towards $12,000. The market cap is approaching $400 billion. These are peaks. This is crazy, where you see $40 billion lost in 60 minutes. $40 billion wiped out. That's half of Bill Gates. Or you can buy like half of the country over here in Mexico. I mean, it is absolute madness that so much money is being tossed around. And that's probably why you're interested in it, because you see this guy talking about Bitcoin, that guy talking about Bitcoin, anybody from like the Uber driver to the janitors to the grocery store, they're all getting interested in Bitcoin, and it's all growing. Now, of course, what we've seen recently is it grew, way too quickly, and it's still growing, where tomorrow it could crash. And if there is a crash, it's just going to be a temporary correction, a pullback, because there's still so many more markets to talk about Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. So let's just go through everything that I can in like 15, 20 minutes. And hopefully with whatever I have, you're able to go forward with it and kind of figure things out. First of all, what I do, what I make money with, is through my YouTube channel. And my YouTube channel just discusses about Bitcoin. That's it. I sell information. So I talk about Bitcoin. I make money from advertising, but the real money is from sponsorship and consulting with companies. You can do this for whatever. Let's say Bitcoin falls. As long as you have a little bit of knowledge, as long as you have more knowledge than the guy who, like, the company previously saw, it doesn't matter whether you have a diploma or not, you are in. Just convince him of your story, boom, sell knowledge, because knowledge is priceless, it's timeless. You're able to go in even when Bitcoin goes fully down, because you're able to talk about Ethereum or anything. So just focus on the big picture, focus on ROI, return on investment for companies, and hey, make that money. So with Bitcoin, in my opinion, this is just mine. There's plenty of others around me who are thinking, yay, Bitcoin's going to be going up forever for, it's going to hit 100,000 or $1 million or $10 million. And that is kind of crazy. And if it does, cool, fantastic. I'm totally wrong. But in my personal opinion, I don't think it's going to go up always. Because you start thinking about it, if Bitcoin went from like 1 penny to $10,000 to $12,000 to, let's say, $15,000 next, I already know people who sold 300 Bitcoins, 500 Bitcoins. They're millionaires. They made their millions entirely and solely off of Bitcoin. That's it. They bought their Lamborghinis, their Rolexes, they're buying islands. They don't care anymore. There's people who made so much money that they don't care about cryptocurrencies for the rest of their life. They're done completely. So you have those individuals, plus you have new individuals getting into it and making a bunch of money, and it just making you think like, okay, so these guys are selling hundreds of millions of dollars, and that currently has very little to maybe no impact on the prices of Bitcoin. However, as it keeps going up, every single extra $100, $12,000, $12,100, $12,200, $12,300, $15,000, $20,000, $25,000, you have so many more people who are going to be cashing out. And as soon as you have one big whale cash out, let's say 500 Bitcoin sell order, then what you have is, so there's two topics, well, two acronyms, I guess you have in the crypto world. FOMO, fear of missing out. So this is when everything's going out and people want to buy when it's the highest. So people want to buy right now. They feel more comfortable buying at $12,000 or $15,000 than they did at $2,000, because they see everybody else and it's a proven thing, and they're like, oh, okay, I guess I should do it. Oh, So you have that side of the equation, but you have the other side of the equation, that's FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So as soon as you have one Bitcoin sell order, like 500, something huge, right? Just millions of dollars, boom, done. You have another guy who freaks out because then he wants to sell for a slightly lower price because he just wants to sell it, right? He just wants to sell it, get his profit out. You're going to have a lot of these people who are like, I already made my profit, boom, 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 I want to sell, and that's it. And then it's like, wait. Uh-oh, you have the people who are selling at a loss. And then, it's kind of like this bandwagon effect where more and more and more people keep selling. Price gets driven down. People start to buy in at that point. The whales start to buy in. The ones who are greedy, they want to make some more money. Boom. And, it just keeps going up and up and up and up. But eventually it's going to stabilize. That's what I think is going to happen. It's going to stabilize. There's going to be a heavy pullback. So is it worth it to invest in Bitcoin? In my opinion, no. No. At this point, no. Like, even if it goes up to $50,000, let's say you buy it at the $10,000 mark, which you're not going to buy it at the $10,000 mark. Previously, I mentioned how people are buying it at $12,000 or $15,000. It's trading at $11,500 right now, or $11,700 or whatever. It's so volatile, it changes every hour, right? People buy it off of Paxful or local Bitcoins, even Coinbase, right? So Coinbase purchases Bitcoin for like an extra percentage or whatever. Then they sell it for like 3-4%. Now the thing is with Coinbase, you have to reveal your identity, you have to give away your passport, you have to give away all this stuff where, some people don't want to do that. So you have two sides of the equations. Either you buy it with Coinbase, it's cheaper, but it's slower, they have limits, you're not able to buy like $10,000, you're going to buy like $50 for, 16 weeks before it goes up. Maybe $100, maybe $200. So it's a very, very, very slow and painful process. It sucks buying Bitcoin at first. But then you have the other side of the equation. Sure, you're able to buy a bunch, just a bunch of Bitcoin, right? But with this side of the equation, right, you have to pay an extra fee. You have to pay like 10%, 20%, 30%, depending on your payment form. So whether it's PayPal, Skrill, Western Union, Amazon gift card, whatever it is, you're paying an extra percentage on this. And that kind of sucks because you're not paying $12,000. You're not paying $13,000. Some people are paying $20,000 for Bitcoin. That's crazy. But that's what they're paying for. So, yeah, right now it's rising and rising and rising, but there's more opportunities. Would you rather make, let's say you invested $10,000, right? And it goes up to $50,000 or $100,000. You even make 10 times. You make $10,000 because you invested $1,000. Would you rather have $10,000 or would you rather have $100,000? Obviously, the $100,000. So there are chances in the crypto world that instead of investing into Bitcoin, you invest into the next Bitcoin. There's so many initial cryptocurrency coin offerings. The shortened version is ICO, initial coin offerings, where their ROI, their return on the investment for the ICO has been crazy. Some have reached over 1,000,000%. You purchase something that's 0.0000001% of it, like a dollar, and you purchase a bunch of that, and you throw $10 here, $10 there, $10 there. Most will fail. 99% of them fail, but there's one or two that it just blows everything out of the water, right? So with that, what happens is you don't care about anything else because you made so much money off of that one ICO, but you need to do your research. You need to do your research. So forget about Bitcoin. The best thing you can do is earn Bitcoin instead of invest in Bitcoin. And on top of earning Bitcoin, you can, if you have money, if you have $1,000, $2,000, $10,000, you can invest into other stuff apart from Bitcoin. So don't invest into like the top 10 coins unless you feel that, hey, you might get an extra 10% here and then you're able to diversify into other altcoins. So you go from one altcoin to another altcoin to another altcoin. Here are my personal limits. I would not invest any money if it's less than $1,000 because then you're talking about fees. Now the fees are small and you are able to, but it's all about time. Most likely you are the type of person who's not going to be day trading, who's not going to be like, oh, looking at the charts constantly every single day. Even I don't do that, okay? I don't care about that because I go on for Reddit, I go on to forums, I go on to watch YouTube videos for like an hour every day, and boom, that's it. We're even less than an hour, right? And with that, that's enough information, that's enough knowledge for me to just know straight up, boom, we're all gooch. So if you're not day trading, which that's an option, maybe you want to day trade, but there's so much stress in that, and because there's bullish and bearish runs, right? So bullish is when it's going up, bearish is when it's going down. There's months when Bitcoin, woo, we're making a bunch of money. You're making so much money that you don't care. And then there's months where, woo, everything's down. Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down, Dash is down, Monera's down. All the cryptocurrencies are down. It sucks seeing your money go away. And it's one of the most stressful things out there, so most likely you don't want to do day trading. What you could do is, if you are investing in Bitcoin or the other altcoins, and altcoin is an alternative cryptocurrency, Ethereum, Dash, Monero, there's thousands of them. There's thousands of them, right? And the way one of these coins comes out is an initial coin offering, ICO, eventually. So you get the ICO, they get funding, then they go on an exchange, boom, it starts to go public, you're able to trade it. So instead of doing day trading, what you're able to find is, let's say you could look at the top 50 altcoins, top 50 cryptocurrencies, you find 5 good ones or 10 good ones, and you do your research on them. The most important thing is read the white paper, see the website, look at the social media marketing, whether it's all good, if you like it, cool. Then look at the team. The team and the people are the most important. Who are you giving your money to? Do they have experience with what they're talking about, the blockchain, whatever the project is about? Currently, I'm working on an ICO with the travel industry. So I'm working with people who are millionaires within the travel industry, and they love travel. They're obsessed about travel and vacationing here in Cancun and, America and all that. So these guys know their stuff. Me, I know a little bit about blockchain and crypto and all that. Fantastic. So it's all about the people, okay? If you trust the people, great, you can move on to the next step. You do your research, blah, 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 whatever. You found one ICO. Cool, now find 5 or 10 more, 20 more, and then invest a little bit. And invest a little bit, and invest a little bit. Invest at the very beginning so you get either the pre-ICO bonus, or if it doesn't have a pre-ICO, then it's going to have main stages of ICOs, and you're going to get either a little bonus or it's just going to be cheaper price per token. So you want to get to the point so even if the ICO fails, you get a little bit extra and you're able to dump on everybody else, okay? Hopefully you're buying a lot. And if you don't have a lot to invest with, then don't even worry about this. Screw investing, earn Bitcoin, earn Ethereum, earn cryptocurrencies. How can you earn? For example, one of my favorite platforms out there is Steemit, S-T-E-E-M-I-T, Steemit. It's like the Reddit for cryptocurrencies. You post something, you get paid in cryptocurrency, you get paid in Steem, and then you're able to convert Steem into Bitcoin, okay? So that's one of the examples out there that you're able to earn money just by posting about anything. You take somebody else's content, but it's better. You probably shouldn't do that. Make a video, make a blog, post a photo, whatever it is, right? So you post something, boom, people like it, you get it started going viral, $5, $10, $15, hold on to that. The best thing you can do is, if you have some crypto, hold on, hold, and then sell half of it if you're making a lot of money in profit. And then hold, make more, invest more, sell half. 50-50 rule, or sell 10% or 20% or whatever. Never sell 100%, but also please beware, because if the ICO, if the coin's going to fail and you're not able to hold for a couple months or a couple of years because you need that money to pay rent and you're screwed out of it and you're going to have to go to the bank and don't do that. Don't do that. Don't invest with money you can't afford to lose. Don't borrow. Don't borrow. Don't screw your credit. Just, if you can invest, then earn. Here are some ways to earn other than Steemit. Do something like I do. Make a YouTube channel about cryptocurrencies, or a blog about cryptocurrencies, or a website, or whatever it is, offline or online marketing, right? You're talking about cryptocurrencies. You're talking about knowledge. You're sharing this. You do affiliate marketing. You do whatever it is. You get a job, you get paid in crypto. Think about that. Or you get paid a percentage in crypto. You sell your camera, you sell your monitor, you sell your TV, you sell your house, your car, whatever it is for crypto. You convert that crypto into other coins. You convert Bitcoin into Ethereum, into other alternative coins. You keep switching and swashing around. Boom. There's so many different ways you can make money. So here's what you do. I don't want to get you confused, because I know we're at 14 minutes here and it's just like, I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to throw it straight up. This is for you. Listen, the best thing you can do, I never learned any of this from school. I went to school, fantastic. I dropped out of school because it made me no money whatsoever. I'm talking with people who have like $10 million in their bank account, They don't care. They don't care about school. They don't care about diplomas. They're giving me a bunch of money just for my knowledge, just for what's in here. And then, of course, a little bit of work extra, but still. So with that, every single thing I learned was from YouTube videos, from forums, from talking with other people, from experience, from doing it myself, learning from mistakes. I lost $500 here, I lost $1,000 there, I lost $2,000 there, I lost $5,000 there. I lost so much money, I failed so many times, but you learn from that, okay? So I traded, I earned from affiliate marketing in Bitcoin, I earned from jobs, I earned from going on a forum called Bitcoin Talk. Bitcoin Talk, it's one of the largest forums, so I'll send over all the links, right? And through there, for example, you're able to post every single day for like a year. After that, you're able to earn like $500 every month because you have advertisements, you have sponsorships, all that. Really, with YouTube would be my best recommendation. Start a YouTube, start a blog, start Instagram, start forums, start everything. Go full out. Drop out of school, just start everything, get into crypto. Within the next 6 months, if you go full out, you work 12 hours every single day, forget about weekends, forget about holidays, forget about everything else. Okay, no, I'm just kidding. Like, maybe take a little bit of time off so your brain doesn't fry. But you go full out, you will make a bunch of money. Then in those next 6 months, if you learn from your mistakes, you go full out, you're networking with individuals, you're going just, You have to keep learning every single day. You are not a professional, you are not elite, no matter what it is. Go to Bitcoin Talk, go to the forums, go to other YouTubers such as Data Dash, go to Box Mining, go to, I don't know, whatever it is. Find a focus point. You need one point that you enjoy. Maybe it's mining. Mining, in my opinion, it's not profitable. You're not going to get that much money out of it. No way, because the difficulty, as Bitcoin's price keeps going up, the difficulty for mining is going much, much higher, and it's just not going to happen. Maybe if you're able to mine, I don't know, some smaller altcoin, but it's just not profitable because unless you have free electricity and a brand new, like $5,000 computer, you are screwed. So just keep that in mind. Anyways, that is that. There's just so many different topics. I would stay away from mining. I would stay away from day trading. What I do is just go to forums, go the social media route, but that's me. I'm obviously biased. Invest in some initial coin offerings if you do your research correctly and if you have some cash and capital to work with. Maybe start a cryptocurrency company. Start one company that funds people for, let's say, a Bitcoin hedge fund, or you give, I don't know, the latest, greatest computer for mining, or, I don't know, a server or software bot for trading, or whatever it is. Start a cryptocurrency company. Earn crypto. That's it. That's my advice for you, because I think the longer I'm going to make this video, the more I'm going to ramble on. So what you have to do right now, go to Reddit, go to forums, go to YouTube, and start Googling nice websites and blogs to learn your information from. So I'll send over all the links that were useful to me. Cointelegraph, CoinMarketCap, Coin Daily, There's so many of these coin websites, it's just absurd. There's like 20, 30 websites. And if you're not in this 24/7, you are out of the loop. But that's it. No worries, because you shouldn't care about all of Bitcoin. I don't know how to code Bitcoin. I don't know how to create a cryptocurrency. I don't know. That's not my specialty, and I don't care because I'm pin focused on one thing. That's it. Pin focused on one thing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Good luck with your journey. Enjoy. Make some money. Even though Bitcoin's rising, please, 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 one more thing. Be patient. Go in this for years. Because even if Bitcoin gets taken down by the next cryptocurrency, let's say Bitcoin's the MySpace and Facebook takes down MySpace, right? And then there's going to be another one that takes down Facebook. Well, you know, the technology is here to stay. Bitcoin goes down, but the blockchain technology, the cryptocurrencies, they're here to stay. Sure, maybe ICOs are in a bubble. Maybe Bitcoin's in a bubble. Maybe it is all in a bubble. But if it is, and if it will crash and have a nice pullback, 90% of the scams, all that, boom, gone, goes away. The money. So what happens next is the good stuff stays. Even looking at the dot-com bubble, the Great Depression, the recession, all that stuff, right? You had a lot of good outcomes out of those. Not much, but there's something. There's something there to learn from. So the dot-com bubble, hey, the internet's here, it survived, there we go. Anyways, good luck with Bitcoin. Check out our links. Get started studying every single day within the next 6 months. If you study hard, if you focus, if you go full out into whatever it is, a blog, a YouTube channel, you become a consultant, you become trading, whatever it is, maybe you create your own cryptocurrency 6 months from now. You can make 6 figures, $100,000 or more annually, and it's a new industry. So, I wish I could keep talking about this, but again, it's very, very difficult, so please give me some slack here. I'm going to go for a swim, so bye. Actually, it's like 8:35, but, peace.